Myself, Farhat Badar, a member of a spiritual community, Medibag, and follower of a spiritual head, His Holiness Amiruddin Malak Sahib. I was born in Chhattisgarh but shifted with my parents to Nagpur when I was just 5. I completed my studies from schooling to post-graduation in microbiology in Nagpur itself. I am proud to be daughter of Dr. Fazal, a wonderful human being with a kind, soft-hearted personality, an excellent doctor with complete ethical practice for 72 long years, 22 years of government service by choice in rural areas to serve the poor and needy. He then practiced privately for 50 years in Nagpur in his own Fazal nursing home at Quota Colony, where I used to assist him. Even at the age of 95 years, he was doing major surgeries. I lost him physically 3 years back, but he was, is, and always will be my role model, thus assuring all a complete ethical practice in my profession also. My mother is a housewife and an active person even at the age of 87. I am happily married to Dr. Munawwar. I am happily married to Dr. Munawwar Badar, who is a general practitioner and a specialty in treating infertility problems. I am blessed with 2 sons. Elder is Dr. Khurram, who has completed his MBBS and opting to work in armed forces hospitals and preparing for post-graduation. My younger son is Furqan, who is in 11th standard science in BBM. I love my profession, but have some additional hobbies like music, playing TT, watching cricket, and of course cooking. My professional life. After completing my studies, I worked with renowned labs for 2 years and daily for almost 13 hours to gain practical experience, and finally established my pathology lab at Fazal Nursing Home. I am practicing from last 32 years. I also have a branch at Badar Nursing Home, Chhaoni. I have franchisee of Thyrocare and General Diagnostics Pune and linked with Ranbaxy Bombay also. I have all updated computerized facilities at my lab. All investigation reports are made available from simple blood sugar or hemoglobin to most complicated tissue culture and histopathology reports. Timely reports at reasonable costs are made available. Emergency services are provided. Hospital collection and home collection facilities are made available. I have been organizing health checkup camps